going on YouTube, man? It's your boy, lTraysavagel, you feel me? Back with another one. Nigga feeling good, as y'all can see. We're in a different little scenario. But yeah, though, motherfuckers back in Iraq, in Chicago, you feel me? But yeah, though, man, today probably finna be, well, tonight, hopefully finna be some decent little content for you. Hopefully I still record, depending on how everything go. How everything is when I meet up. But I'm finna see what's to this heavy Chevy Carclub, you feel me? I'ma slide up on them, you feel me? See if I enjoy it and see if I like it and see what the vibe with everybody is. And see how everybody carry themselves and see how the club go, you feel me? And yeah, though, I think we gonna end up, they said they just drive around and shit. Motherfucker fuck around, drive downtown. Little places like that, you feel me? Here and there. I gotta dodge a lot of fucking potholes, I'll tell you that. Motherfucking streets been fucking up ain't been fucking it up, I ain't gonna say that, but I done hit a couple hard ass potholes, put it like that, you feel me? But yeah though, man. And I got the little homie down here with me, up here with me. You feel me? Tell him what's up, boy. You sure what's up, shorty? Yeah. Yeah, oh, you wanna fight. Yes, you wanna fight. I'm gonna do all that though. But yeah though, man. I'm waiting on my cousin, she gonna slide with me, you feel me? So, and then we gotta meet up at 7. It's like a couple more minutes. But I'm finna fuck around there for the text and call her, see where she at. Yeah though, man, I'll probably see y'all when we get to the meetup spot and show y'all everybody cars and see who all pop up. See y'all in a few.
They all got the same hair.
Oh, me. They out here. All right. Get a little recording in on me. That big bitch sent you. But them out here. But them out here. Stop playing, oh me. Motherfuckers out here in the belt. Stop playing. Hold on. Go this way. Hold on. Let's see what's up. See what's this way. This bitch City. Oh yeah, folks got this bitch for sale too. Go ahead if y'all want it. 16. Folks say you want 16 for that bitch. You know what I mean? Hello, you gotta go this way. Go. Can't forget the Red Barber. Oh damn. Stepping on type of shit. Got some 6s on this bitch on me. Got this bitch City. Oh yeah. Photo got the new. Yes sir. Bro, got this bitch rolling. Stop playing. Yes sir, we out here. Motherfuckers rolling on. Oh yeah, definitely got this bitch recording. Gotta get a little recording in on me.
Come on. What do you say? Put us on.
What's that little YouTube? You going on the tour? Oh yeah, gotta keep it going. Yeah, motherfuckers finna keep it going though. I ain't even gonna hold you. Gonna give y'all in a little minute.